लीलानंद प्रभु की जय।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
दंडवत दंडवत प्रणाम माता जी। 1 मिनट माता जी, मैं जरा ये YouTube लाइव भी कर देता हूँ।
कुछ स्पेशल
Okay. Yes, gallery view. Hare Krishna. So let everybody join. We'll do a small kirtan. Will they join?
Again, Bala joined, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Thank you for joining.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी।
दंडवत प्रणाम माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। Hare Krishna. Sorry Prabhu for the last minute invite. I thought it's auspicious day, Ekadashi, so we might put some idea forward and see if it works. So maybe in another 5 minutes everybody will join, whoever wants to. So we'll do a small kirtan. Is that okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Let's remember Krishna's names. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatyadesakarine Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivastadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivastadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jai Jai Prabhupada Jai Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jai Jai Prabhupada Jai Jaya Gurudev Gurudev Jai Jai Gurudev Jaya Jaya Gurudev Jai Jai Gurudev Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Jaya Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jai Jai Prabhupada श्री कृष्ण भगवान की जय श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय श्री अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय निताय गौर हरि प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल हरे कृष्णा थैंक यू ऑल फॉर जॉइनिंग इन सच ए शॉर्ट नोटिस like always I am a bad planner. I don't know what to plan first, what to plan next. So I remembered that today is Ekadashi and we have exactly close to 3 weeks time to come to Janmashtami. Is that right? 3 or 4 weeks maybe. I think maybe 4 weeks. So August 12th is Janmashtami, right? Hare Krishna, can you all hear me?
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Bala Prabhu, Balaji Prabhu. Thank you for joining. Mahalingam Prabhu.
Yes,
Hari Bol, Satya Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam. Hare Krishna. Priya Mataji. I can see a lot of you have joined and very grateful to all of you that you have joined. Anandini Radharani Mataji, thank you for joining. Yes. So Shilpa Mataji, I think we have good participation. There will be one more planning meeting event tomorrow. This was too short notice. I'm sure many others also want to participate and do something for Janmashtami. So
Hare
say
Krishna,
loud
Hare-
Hari Bol if you want to
Hari
do
Bol.
service on Janmashtami.
Hari Bol, Hari
Hari
Bol.
Bol, Hari Bol. Yes.
Bol.
Yes, yes. We all want to do big service on Janmashtami. So there were 2 reasons. I will just share my screen. Something that I wanted to share. Why we are doing this, right? So this is why we're doing this. We have few goals we want to achieve while we want to do the Janmashtami. One is to bring life into everyone's house in these times of lockdown, right? Everybody is sick and tired and so dormant, and I don't know how many are in a mood to welcome Krishna into their house on Janmashtami day. So this is your time, right? So one goal is to bring life into everyone's house in your community, and we can do that together as a team. And second is to provide an opportunity to serve Lord Krishna. Everybody should get an opportunity. We are all Krishna's children. Aham bija pradapita. Lord Krishna is saying, and we are all his children. So everybody should get an opportunity to serve Krishna, isn't it? So we all will serve Krishna. And third, we want to connect everyone socially in the community. Today, communities have become bigger, but the hearts have become smaller, right? So there are small hearts and big communities. We want to make everybody's heart large by connecting everybody, to this community through the medium of Janmashtami, right? And then we want to create an interest for associating and learning Bhagavad Gita as an after effect. This is something that when people see that we are all trying to serve them with genuine hearts, we don't have any ulterior motive. We want the message of Bhagavad Gita on Janmashtami, it should be propagated, and we want to create an interest in the community. So this is one of the mediums, right? So I'll tell you the plan, what exactly I have in mind, and we all can improvise that. Maybe let us do this for the next 20 minutes. Let's pull in ideas. I will tell my idea that I have, and we can improvise it and see what more we can add, right? So the idea that I have is, of course, during the lockdown time, we don't want to risk other families by calling them outside their houses. No, that's not the idea at all. We want them to be in their house and make their house into a temple, right? So that is the idea. So what we want to do, Janmashtami is coming on August 12th, which is a Wednesday, and that day is a working day. Unfortunately, in India, Janmashtami is not a holiday. May that day come one day when the Supreme Lord Krishna appears and it becomes a holiday, but it's not a holiday. So some of you might taken off, or some of you may not be able to take off. So ideally, we have planned for this program between 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the evening, right? 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the evening. So this will all happen through a Zoom call, and this will happen in different communities at the same time, right? So for example, I'm living in this beautiful community, Avatar, and there are others who are living in, nice, good communities like Green Grace, Trends, DSR Aditya, or NCC Urban, or My Home Abra, and My Home Jewel. All these devotees are there in our satsang. I don't think many have joined right now because it was a too short notice, of course. So my idea is, in every community, we will have a standard way of doing it. Of course, few details can change, but we will try to support each other in doing it, right? For example, somebody is not living in a community. What would he do? Like, for example, say Anup Prabhu is living, Akinchan Prabhu is living in a very small apartment, right? Which only has like 4 or 5 apartments. He can become a member of any of the communities, that bigger communities, and he can support them in doing that Janmashtami, right? So that's the idea. We want to have a support group. We want to have a core group for each one of these big communities. Our target is big communities because we can organize in a bigger way, right? And small communities also can participate in one of them, but they will have very limited number to do. So what I'm proposing during this 3 hours time is from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock is that every house will get an opportunity for an offering for Krishna, right? Like somebody might have a small child, they want to dress him like Krishna. Somebody might have a beautiful altar in their house and they want to decorate it on Janmashtami, especially for Janmashtami. There might be some Mataji who wants to prepare something for Krishna, and she offered it, and she can show that to everybody that this is our offering to Krishna. Somebody might make a cake for Krishna and cut the cake, and somebody might do. There are many ways. Somebody want to chant one beautiful shloka from the Puranas or Itihasas or Vedas, like he wants to give his offering towards Krishna. So we'll give this platform as an opportunity for everybody to do their part. There is no limitation or any restriction in terms of what anybody wants to give Krishna. Krishna is Bhavagrahi Janardana. He wants to take everybody's love, right? So we want to give this as an opportunity for everybody to do something for Krishna. So in terms of, everybody will come forward and register themselves and they will say that I want to do this for Krishna, right? So they will get at least 1 minute slot, right? 1 minute is what each family gets, or each person for that family. Sorry, one family gets 1 minute, so they can decide what is the best thing they want to do in that 1 minute. And that way, the whole community will see each other also through the medium of Zoom, where they will see either a child walking in their house, in their very house, like Krishna, or they together are singing a small bhajan within that 1 minute uh, for Krishna, or somebody speaking something motivating and helpful for others in the community in service to Krishna. But it should be relevant to Janmashtami, it should be relevant to Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam. We cannot have a general talk, we'll have some ground rules there. So this can be conducted in every community. And then while they do this in 3 hours, say, I'm saying 1 minute. So obviously there will be a switchover time from one family to another family, some time wasted. So I'm hoping like something like 200 families will be able to participate, or at least 180 families, sorry, can be able to participate within this 3 hours. So we'll keep a registration number to 150, not more than that, right? 150 is the maximum, because there will be, or it will get more and more delayed beyond 8. But I'm sure everybody would want to come and participate and see from the beginning who all is doing what for Krishna in the community, right? And that can be through Zoom. So the way we'll do is we'll have a compare, one person comparing the whole thing. So whenever a new family comes and they start something, everybody in the Zoom will chant Hare Krishna mantra, raising their hands. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and the family will start their offering. And while they do that offering, we will see, and one of the devotee will take a small picture through Zoom. He will just take a screenshot, or that is one of the service. I'm talking about one community. Let's say model community. Okay, one community. In that community, one person is comparing the whole program, and the other person is taking a picture, and the second and the third person is maintaining the record of which picture belongs to which family with a number. There will be a brief introduction. So all this data will be maintained, and how will we make sure that who are the families participating? So what we'll do, we will have a separate WhatsApp group created for Janmashtami, and whoever will click the link can join that WhatsApp group, and one person in the community will take the service of calling all these numbers and making sure they understand what they're going to offer. At least a shloka, or a fancy dress, or a small bhajan, or a talk, whatever it is, right? We want to write it down, and on a random basis, we will assign a number to each family, like flat number 101, number 1, flat number 10th floor, second flat, number 2. It will be a random thing. So everybody in the community will get a number. So somebody might be the last number. That's okay. That's all randomly selected. But they will also get an opportunity to see others what they're doing, right? So one by one, when the number is called, the compare will call the number, and the family will switch on their video, and they can present. What they want to tell, right? So this is one of the choices. So Zoom has a limit of 100. I think 100 is a good number to target. 100 in 3 hours, I think, is a good enough number. So let's say 100 families, right? I was saying 150, but maybe 100. So 100 families, and maybe some families might, if they drop, the new families might come, whichever way, but 100 is the number we are looking at. And some others can even join through YouTube. They can keep watching if they're just watching. You can go live on Zoom when you also Zoom it. So each community needs to have one such Zoom account, which you can think about. And so these pictures that are taken when each one of the family members perform, or they show something, the picture will be shared. Another person in the community will get a service of taking the picture and sending it to Lakshmikant Prabhu. Our all dear Lakshmikant Prabhu is a great photographer himself, and is a great Photoshop person. So we want to give a gift to that family, right? Krishna wants to give a gift to that family. The funding across making this postcards, keep it aside, we'll work that out. But what we want to do is we want to give a gift back to that family, that here is your Janmashtami of 2020, where you did this. And the postcard will also have on the back side, first front side, it will have the picture of the family, and some nice thing written so they can keep in their frame wherever they are. And the back side, it will also have a nice shloka to read or to learn, and a program that they can participate in future, something like Bhagavad Gita recitation programs, or Bhagavad Gita learning programs, like Right now, we are having SSR in so many communities, right? So many of us are preaching. So what we want to do is we want to give this opportunity for others to participate and know that something like that is happening through the medium of the postcard, a little information behind. And we also maintain the contact of the family. The most important thing is the contact. So next time when we start any program or we want to do some nice activity in the community, you can contact them saying that it was so nice participating together, and we want to take your help in doing future activities relating to Lord Krishna and Bhagavad Gita. So uh, this is uh, this is what I have in mind. Now the forum is open. For the next 20 minutes or so, let us collect ideas or perspectives or comments. Let's improvise this idea to the maximum possible. And then I have made a sheet. I'll just show you the sheet. We'll fill that later, but I just made up this sheet. Yeah, this one. One second. Yeah, this one. So basically, we'll have a community name, and we'll have a primary family who's driving it, and supporting family 1, 2, 3, and who will do the WhatsApp group creation. There are some activities and registrations by calling each person in the community, arrangements and ordering which family will do what, then comparing on the Zoom, one person has to do it or with a backup, then capturing the pictures and coordinating with Lakshmikant Prabhu for posters and thanking cards, and finally handing over the gift to everybody, right? So this is something that we want to capture. We can do this even tomorrow. We are not in a hurry to fill this today. This is the first planning call. Tomorrow can be, tomorrow we'll fill up this particular. So let's first try to gather. I have a pen and a paper in front of me. So, whatever little thought that I got, I have mentioned already, and I want to capture your ideas and see, how we can, and let's have a discussion. So first of all, are we all happy and motivated to do something like this for the pleasure of Krishna?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. I'm so grateful to all of you. I'm just a mere instrument. I'm not anybody leading this, but I just am trying to throw an idea there so that you all can. I'm sure there are great leaders sitting in this call, who are doing big roles in your offices, managing things. So I'm sure you'll have much more efficient way of doing this. So please put forward, what else that comes to your mind, what can be done. The goal is one, samsiddhir haritoshna, that whatever we do should give pleasure to Krishna on his appearance day of Janmashtami, right? So yes,
Prabhuji, one
so,
question,
so it's open.
Prabhuji, one question. I'm just trying to understand, not a suggestion.
Yeah.
You are basically saying like each house, whatever activity they do, they show it like 1 minute. Is that what you are saying?
Yeah.
For example, let's say in my house there is an altar and we are doing something. We show that for 1 minute. In somebody's house, they either show that or they talk about a sloka or do anything. Each family will do for 1 minute whatever they want to do. Is that correct, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Is that my understanding?
Okay. Yes. That's the way, Prabhuji. And
Achha,
there will be order for that. The order will be decided by one
confusion.
family. Yeah, Prabhuji. Sorry.
So that there's no confusion. There will be an order in the same sequence. People will follow.
Yes. And the good part is, Prabhuji, everybody, the brightest side that I'm seeing is, the communities are big, as I said, hearts are small, doors are closed. People never get introduced to each other. But this is a very good medium where they show the best part of their house or the best part of them for God. And there is a whole God conscious event happening. So we'll get to know each other, that there is somebody also like this in the community who is so much in love with Krishna or spiritual life. And this is a very good medium to know each other.
Understood. Okay.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, so you're looking at a lot of new members coming in, right? New people who have never participated in this also to come in.
Oh yeah. That's the whole idea. Yeah.
That's the whole idea. Yeah. So a lot of people in, say, like in Green Grace, somebody who heard of ISKCON but never participated, we want to bring them up into this 1 minute program, basically.
Yes. Okay. And this is not, frankly speaking, this is not a community like something like ISKCON program. It's not like that. Yeah, it is for Krishna, and we welcome all the devotees from all sampradayas and all, whichever background they come from, to come forward and do there can be a grandma in a house, who wants to sing a song for Krishna,
Yeah.
and we will get to hear her.
But 100 might not be sufficient, Prabhuji. The number might be a lot more.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So, what do we do? I mean, like,
Then we do simultaneously couple of groups going.
simultaneously or
Simultaneously couple of Zooms.
simultaneously, or maybe divide the time. That's a good idea. Maybe we can have 2 time slots on that day. One from afternoon time, and one is evening time, and we can break them into 2.
Sure. Yeah. So in your column, you should add one more preferred time or something like that.
Yeah, something like 2 to 5, and the second is say 6 to 9.
Something like that.
Yeah, with a 1 hour gap, so we can have 2 time slots. Yeah.
Based on the total number of participants, we can decide, Prabhu, whether
Yeah.
we need two sets or one set should be enough or something.
Yeah. So I'll say community will decide. Community will decide. How many such slots might be registering, and now is the time to register. So what we'll be doing is we'll be creating some pamphlets and some welcoming message. I'll do that. I'll take the responsibility to work with Lakshmikant Prabhu, and by this Monday or something, I'll have that ready. So we will send it out. In tomorrow's planning, we'll fill this sheet. Who will be the primary driver for each community? I want people to come forward and say they'll be the primary driver. Actually, I couldn't consult my own community people. I just started this meeting. Maybe tomorrow I'll ask them who wants to be the primary driver and who wants to be supporting families. I would want to be a supporting family myself, or whatever role that I get. So we want to. So as a community, as a small team, we will decide. If there are many registrations, it's a good news. Say if there are 200 registrations, we break that into 2 groups. Say 2 to 5 in the afternoon, and then 6 to 9 in the evening. We will think whether to give the choice to families, because if we get into that, then there is a lot of, then people will say that, I want this slot, that slot. We will just put a cheaty there and just open it and say, we are sorry, this is the slot. So unless there is a dire reason, we'll figure that out based on community to community.
Also, Prabhuji, if someone missed the schedule, again Balaji here. If someone missed the schedule also, we will have a flip-flop. For example, if a devotee missed the 2 to 5 session, we'll have some kind of a buffer time where we can give an opportunity to perform in 6 to 9 slot.
That's a very good idea. So I think that responsibility can be given to the family who is ordering it. Remember, we had one responsibility to order it. So they will make sure that they order it and bring it into the next slot if they miss it. Yeah, that's a good idea. But we will not announce it before, because everybody will miss according to their convenience.
Exactly.
Yeah. So if they miss, we definitely want to make sure that. So what should I name it as? Move between groups. Move between groups. Okay.
Prabhuji, can you also clarify a bit more on what people can do in their 1 minute slot based on that? Because when we publicize it, they will get to know what they got to do. Because otherwise, it might become like many kids might come in and do the sloka reciting. For example, if you open into our flats, they may see it like a sloka reciting, and each kid might sing one sloka. I'm just trying to understand thought process on.
Yeah, I think we'll put forward a list of possible list, maybe giving them ideas.
Okay.
Like I said, decorate your house, decorate your door, inviting Krishna. Some people keep this little footprints of Krishna, right? Like Krishna is walking in
Krishna footprint.
the day of Janmashtami. So we'll give them ideas, and whatever else that they want to add, they're very much welcome to add. But what they get is 1 minute. After that 1 minute, I think the compare will have a great role to play to stop people on time and respectfully and humbly, and move on to the next family.
That's a challenging part.
Yes.
So whoever told this now, whoever told yes and challenging part will be the compares.
All of you, please, everyone, please mute.
I heard, I think Satya Prabhu and Balaji Prabhu, right?
I'm mimicking it.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, our apartment leader for all activities is Mr. Subbarao Prabhu.
He is the Yudhishthir Maharaj.
Yes.
That's satsang.
I went on mute sometime back.
Can we all turn up our videos? For a change. There are many new people in the group who can see you all. Take your darshan. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Yeah, Ramesh Prabhu. You can see. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So basically, tomorrow we're going to fill up the sheet, of communities. So if you want some other community of your friends also to participate, please allow them to come and participate. Right? It's an open thing. We have a template. Basically, we want to keep a template, and the whole world, whole city celebrate using this template in a very safe way from their house. And I have one proposal that at the end of the program, we can have one arti. One of the devotees can keep the camera towards the altar, and then you can do just 5-minute arti, not more than that. Hare Krishna mantra and a deepam, dhupam, and jalam, vastram, and pushpam. We'll offer 5 things to Lord Krishna, and we'll say Janmashtami Hari Bol. So something like that. And I don't think there is any funding needed here. I think just the postcards thing, which I'm sure me and Lakshmikant Prabhu will figure it out.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Lakshmikant Prabhu, you're not speaking anything. You are the one who is going to make all those
we can
posters.
also do an e-greeting also. Or we can,
Yes.
Prabhuji, we can also do an e-greeting, Prabhuji, because sometimes the Zoom picture, if the quality is not great, maybe we can try to make it like a greeting and then also send it back to them like a thank you and a remembrance message or an email or a WhatsApp also, Prabhuji. That might reduce some running around of printing and trying to post to different people and kind of, because it's a lot of hard work at this stage.
Oh yeah, that actually made a good point. So actually it was meant to be e-greeting only, Pro. When I said sending it to everybody.
Okay.
Oh yeah. We don't want to parcel Corona to their house. So it will be e-greeting only. E-greeting. Yes, it will be a postcard. Which they can print later. We'll give it such a quality they can print later, and it will have their picture and something written there and something nice for them. Any other ideas?
How about Prasad, Guruji?
Yeah, that's a golden question. This is the most disappointing part, Rosie, in this time Janmashtami, is that maybe we'll keep 5 minutes where we all sit and eat prasad looking at each other.
Exactly. That's a good point before Aarti or after Aarti.
Yeah. My wife is saying something.
That doesn't satisfy me.
Prabhuji, we will share.
Okay, I think.
Prabhuji, we will share.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
I'm saying if you don't put the prasadam in each plate, I don't feel good about it.
I know.
No. Haribol Prabhuji, one of our Mataji's group, we are having a competition for this Janmashtami. So we are having some essay writing, and then we are having prasadam cooking, boga cooking for the Lord. So what Matajis are doing is, whether if they are choosing an option for cooking boga for the Lord, they are cooking and they are sending a video ahead what they want to cook for Krishna on Janmashtami. This is what we are doing in one of the groups. And then there are some Matajis who are doing painting. There are some Matajis who are doing essay writing with the kids. There are Matajis who are doing boga preparation. There are some painting competitions, but in whichever way they want. So boga, if you really want, you can cook and you can offer. They can send a video.
Yeah, they can share a video.
Prior, they can send a video.
Yeah.
The boga competition, huh?
Or one more option, because in Avatar we have a beautiful Bhuvaru Swami
Yes,
temple
Prabhu,
here.
not boga eating competition, Prabhu. Boga preparing competition.
Mahesh Prabhu, it's not about you eating; it's about giving to God.
Mahesh Prabhu offering, not eating.
Okay. See, there is one other choice we can do. Is I'm sure most of the communities have a small temple. If it's not a bigger temple, a small temple is definitely there, right? So I don't know. You have to explore with your local temple pujari if it's okay with them, that you can prepare a small bhoga, of your choice, with of course following the regulation: no onion garlic, no, of course, no meat, no eggs, nothing like that. Very nice small bhoga, and at a certain time of the day, everybody can go keep their bhoga in front of the god and disperse, something like that. But they have to work with the pujari. It's a community thing. I don't know, but it's a good thing you can think about. It's up to you. We'll leave it there. Okay. Okay. Or in your own house, you can offer that. In your own house, you can offer it in front of the god.
Most of them, I think in the temple it is difficult because they have their own Pancharatrika Vidhi, which may not, because most of the temples have they need to have that Brahman Upanayana Samskara, and they have something. So most of the temples will not, but most of them have Lord Krishna deity in the form of Laddu Gopal or Narayana or Lakshmi Narayana. They can offer it to the deities as well as the photo.
But that cannot be shown, right?
Photo or a picture or anything.
Because we are trying to do the Zoom call live video kind of a thing if they want to show in the home. So if they offer something in the temple, it may not be possible. They have to do a video of it and then present it in the Zoom.
Correct. I think it's a good idea to do it in their house, offer it in their house to Lord Krishna, and share a picture or share it at that time when the 1 minute of their family time comes.
What we instructed Matajis is they can cook. Have you anybody seen the ISKCON cooking video channels, especially from what is that? Radha Gopinath's?
Yeah, that's
ISKCON
okay.
Desiratory. How Mataji describes the speciality of a dish. If there are some special dishes which are cooked in Jagannath Puri, or there are some special dishes which Radharani has cooked for Krishna. So either she can narrate a story about it, cook it and offer it, and then make a video of it and send it. So we are seeing all these criterias. I mean, being a judge, I am just seeing all these.
Okay, I think everybody can make their video, and for whatever special WhatsApp group will be created, they can post in that WhatsApp group. That's a good idea. And during the 1 minute that each family gets, during that time also they can show what they have offered to Krishna. Actually, it's a very personal thing what we offer to Krishna. I don't know how many would want to
they will
show
do
it,
it. They can do it. There's nothing wrong
They
in
can
it.
do it. There's nothing wrong. You can definitely do it. Yeah.
Okay, even in that ISKCON Desiratory videos, you have seen Mataji's offering.
Yeah. So any other ideas? Haribol, Prabhujis, Matajis, a lot of you are keeping quiet. So I'm sure many communities. So I'm sure in My Home Avatar we'll have. Kya Balaji Prabhu? We'll do it in My Home Avatar.
Sure, Prabhuji, you can do it.
Cool. Yes, we can do something like this. And Green Grace, I'm already seeing families who have joined. 3 families already there.
That's sure shortly.
Yeah. So Lovesh Prabhu in Shamshabad, kya karna hai?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरिप्रिया माता जी।
लवेश प्रभु तो सो गए हैं प्रभु जी।
हाँ हरिप्रिया, आपका प्रीचिंग ग्रुप है ना माता जी इसका?
जी माता जी है।
उनके साथ आप शेयर कर दीजिए।
हाँ, आप सोचिए इसके बारे में। कल tomorrow we will try to see, if एक बात समझ लीजिए माता, आप अकेली को आप नहीं करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे हमारे पास से हेल्प मिलेगा, जो भी डिवोटी कम्युनिटी में नहीं रह रहे हैं वो आके हेल्प करेंगे, वो भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे आपके साथ।
ओके प्रभु जी।
तो वो हम असाइन करेंगे।
प्रभु जी, I will be helping Lavish Prabhu's family, प्रभु जी।
ओ ललित मोहन प्रभु जी, हरि बोल। या हरिप्रिया माता जी, थैंक यू।
जब भी हम लोग कुछ करते हैं ललित मोहन प्रभु जी और हम लोग दोनों मिलकर ही करते हैं प्रभु जी, अकेले में नहीं कर सकते।
ठीक है माता जी, जरूर।
क्योंकि उस दिन गौरनीता ही रहेंगे तो शायद अभिषेक तो करेंगे प्रभु जी हम लोग।
हाँ, हम लोग माता जी हमारा जन्माष्टमी सेलिब्रेशन सुबह ही करेंगे, क्योंकि शाम को आई थिंक विल टेक अप दिस सर्विस।
ठीक है। और कौन सा कम्युनिटी? ज्योत्सना माता जी, यू वांट टू डू इन योर कम्युनिटी?
Yeah, Prabhuji. Yeah, I will try this year, Prabhuji.
Mohini Priti Mataji, you can help Anandini Mataji in her community.
Yeah, let me see if Jyoti Mataji also joined from My Home Abra. Mataji, My Home Abra से कौन है? हरि बोल। Anandini Mataji, you are there?
Yes, Prabhuji, I am there.
Yeah, can you let me see if I can see you on the screen? Are you there on the screen?
Who, me?
Yeah.
On the screen means?
No, video Mataji.
Video. Is your video on?
Oh, video. Okay, I'll switch it on.
Mataji's video is not active. She has a nice picture of some 15 years back picture.
Is it coming?
Wait a minute, Mataji. I'm just seeing.
Yeah, Mataji is there.
Yeah. Hmm? Where? Yeah. I don't know. Yes, I can see you now. Yes, Mataji. Thank you for your darshan. It's been such a long time. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Thank you. Thank you for your darshan. I'm very happy to see you. So
Yes,
Mataji, in my
yes,
home
I
Abra.
know, I'm only listening to ideas.
No, so in
Yes,
my home
Prabhuji, tell
Abra,
me.
yeah. So in my home Abra, we can
Tell
do
me,
this.
tell me. Yes, yes, we will do it. With everybody's help.
Yes, yes, Mataji. So we'll have somebody to help you there. I had actually added Jyoti Mataji also. I don't know if she couldn't join maybe. But tomorrow again we are going to have this call where we'll actually write down. Now that the idea is there, you all can write down, how we want to do it and how to go about. So whatever families want to support, we will guide them how to do, and we also will have some extended support from our side. So My Home Abra, yes, and which other community are we looking? Anybody from NCC? Hindu Mataji has joined from NCC? No, she has not joined.
Neelam Mataji's community is also big.
Yeah, Neelam Mataji, are you there in the call?
Yes, she's there.
Okay, DSR Aditya, Hari Bol. Who is
Yes,
there?
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Neelam Mataji, Hari Bol. Yes, Mataji. So, where are...
Yeah, I and Anu Mataji will try, Prabhuji.
Is that Shilpa Mataji?
Yes, yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Mataji, Shilpa Mataji. So, you and Anupriya Mataji together can drive in DSR Aditya, right?
Yes, yes.
How did you like the idea? Do you want to add anything, or do you think it's practical, doable?
Yes, Prabhuji, it is possible. But yeah, we will try, Prabhuji. Both of us will be there anyway. Yeah, we will try.
Sure, Shilpa Mataji. Wonderful, wonderful. So, and Neelam Mataji, आप कर सकती हैं आपकी community में?
प्रभुजी, I can try.
हाँ.
अभी तो नहीं कह सकती, पर try करूँगी प्रभुजी. I'll try my best.
हाँ, जरूर, जरूर. And आपकी community में कितने families हैं माताजी?
प्रभुजी, वैसे तो मेरे बिल्डिंग में 40 फ्लोर्स हैं, 40 फ्लैट्स हैं प्रभुजी.
हाँ,
और मेरे बगल वाले में तो 20 हैं. पूरा मिला के 60.
60-70 एक पूरा ग्रुप बन गया इससे. At least.
और नहीं तो माताजी आपके जो पहचान फ्रेंड्स हैं माताजी,
हाँ.
they can join. If not in your community, if you're not able to do, they can join in any of the other because it's virtual. They can join in any other group also.
You can start, Mataji. We can plan about it. Something like Alkapuri Janmashtami celebration, something like that.
Yes, yes, Prabhuji.
Right, and
yes,
many
Prabhuji.
others can come from other small buildings also.
Yes, Prabhuji. And Raju Prabhuji bhi hai, Prabhuji.
हाँ, Raju Prabhuji is.
Raju Prabhuji is there.
Yeah.
Even Uday Prabhuji, Udayanand Prabhuji, and Sucharita
Yeah,
Mataji.
yeah.
You all
So,
three can club together if you have less people.
Yeah,
Yes.
or Udayanand Prabhu is actually thinking if in the Sucharita Mataji, if we can support, some families who like Anandini Mataji, you can support, for this initiative. Is it okay, Prabhuji? Udayanand Prabhu?
Prabhuji, absolutely okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah, or do you have a community thing in your colony?
Yeah, I mean, it's a kind of a spread out community, right? It's not.
Yeah, that's what I felt. It's difficult to consolidate there.
Yeah.
So maybe you can think about it tomorrow. You can let us know.
Sure.
If you
We
can
also
be
have some
helping hand.
Rutuja Mataji or
Yeah.
Shweta Mataji. They're also techies.
Yeah,
They also
yeah.
help.
So Rutuja Mataji, I can see.
Shweta
Haribol
Mataji, she will be
Mataji.
there.
Yeah, Shobha Kumari Mataji is also here.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat
Hare
Pranam.
Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam Mataji. So Mataji, you can also help us in one community if that's okay with you.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So tomorrow
Yes.
tomorrow I'll be assigning. If I'm not assigning, please raise your hand and make sure you're assigned for a service. Ultimately, it's not about whose community, which community. It's all about we are all trying to serve Krishna and for the pleasure of Lord Krishna and connecting everybody with Lord Krishna. That's the whole idea on the most auspicious occasion of Janmashtami. Yeah, that's the
Prabhuji,
idea.
with the help of Alkaram Prabhu, can we do Prabhu in Mayapur?
Of course, why not? Yeah, you can do that as well. Wherever. See, the point is, wherever you're inspired to do this in a community, please do it. there should be a Janmashtami celebration on Janmashtami. Janmashtami should not be another dry lockdown day and it just passed by. Lord Krishna's appearance cannot be so dull in Bharatvarsha.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So wherever you can, let us encourage people. As I said in the beginning, the goal of this Janmashtami is to bring life into the houses, of everybody, and make them feel very blissful that yes, today is Janmashtami, let's celebrate, right? And everybody gets busy in the house doing something for Krishna. That is the whole idea, that consciously they're Krishna conscious on that day of Janmashtami, right? Whether it's decorating altar or dressing their child or cooking something for Krishna or reciting some verse or talking something about from Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam, it should be an activity in the house. That's the whole idea. And Lakshmikant Prabhu, you have any ideas? Kant Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavata Pranam.
हाँ, ललित मोहन प्रभु.
कांत प्रभु शांत क्यों है?
हरे कृष्णा, दंडोत प्रणाम प्रभु जी. प्रभु जी सबका सुन रहा हूँ मैं. लेट यू नो प्रभु जी.
नहीं, पहले आपका लोटस फेस दिखाओ.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी. प्लीज प्रभु जी.
कहाँ पे?
Whatever bad pictures, videos are there, Lakshmikant Prabhu will beautify them and represent ourselves and surprise us.
We want to see the original you. दिखाओ. किधर है?
Kant Prabhu without mask.
अरे
प्रभु जी. हरि बोल.
Yes. Appear. Yes, Hari Bol. There you go, Lakshmikant Prabhu ki jai. Yes, Prabhuji. So you are in your studio right now?
Yeah, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Just stay for this meeting, Prabhuji.
Yes. Thank you for staying by, Prabhu. So, Prabhuji, we have a great work to do together, and maybe hundreds of pictures will go from your hands.
Sure, Prabhuji.
Yeah, we'll create some template which can inspire others, like something like that.
Definitely, Prabhuji.
Yes, Hare Krishna. And any other ideas, please share, Prabhuji.
We can do the PDF, Prabhuji, all the picture with all the pictures. We can make a PDF, the customized one, all the pictures.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, we'll make the customized PDF, Prabhuji.
Yes, whatever you want to customize, Prabhuji.
Oh, the one family kada Prabhuji. ఎవరైతే వాళ్ళ పిక్చర్స్ తీస్తామో వాళ్ళ పిక్చర్ కవర్ పేజ్ లో ఉంటుంది. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్యామిలీస్ హూ హ్యాడ్ జాయిన్డ్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ పిక్చర్స్ అన్ని, బికాస్ దిస్ ఇస్ అ గుడ్ ఈవెంట్ కదా ప్రభుజీ. పీపుల్ కెన్ రీకలెక్ట్ కి ఈ రోజు ఇంతమంది కూడా జాయిన్ అయ్యారని. సో వి జస్ట్ షేర్ ద పీడిఎఫ్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఆల్బమ్ కవర్ లోని వాళ్ళ పిక్చర్ ఉంటుంది, ఫ్యామిలీ పిక్చర్, which whatever they are going to share, remaining all the pictures, and if the other families are interested, or we'll just give some more good code for that particular families. How the Satya Prabhu is more of interested in serving, baga oddinchadamlo baga interest chupedtaru. We'll just give some good taglines for the particular families or Prabhujis or Matajis in that particular album. So it will be ఈజీగా రీకలెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు చెప్తూ ఉంటారు బుల్లెట్స్ తిండం గట్టాను. సో ఇలాంటివన్నీ కొన్ని మనం జనరల్ గా వాడుతుంటాం సత్సంగంలో.
or we have this this is a good idea. Actually, we have this 108 prominent shlokas in Bhagavad Gita. Of course, all the 700 are prominent, but some acharyas have said 108 of them are really telling the essence. So against 108 pictures, there can be one shloka in each picture.
Great, Prabhuji. We'll do that.
So whenever they scroll through all the pictures, they can even read the prominent shlokas.
Yes.
Right?
Super. Yeah.
That's also, I can give you that 108 shlokas and we can do that as well. Yeah. So that's a good idea now. Now we don't have to distribute to each family. whatever pictures that Prabhuji is going to get, he's going to, slice and dice and put a nice shloka against each, and there will be a PDF that will be sent for the whole community. So the whole community can see how they celebrated Janmashtami, and it will be something like a memorable event.
Prabhuji, also they can, once the celebration is over, they can share the pictures with their near and dear ki what we have. That is more, connecting with the other people.
Yes. Wonderful. Yes, positivity. We want to spread positivity to as many places.
And the one thing, we have to take a permission to other family members ki we are just sharing this PDF. Sometimes people hesitate. The family picture should not go to the other communities and all. Yeah, I totally respect to the devotees and other.
I think we can. I'll write it down. The person collecting pictures should ask families permission to put it in the PDF.
We'll give a check mark, Prabhuji, for whether they want to know yes or no. That's it.
Yes. Because once it goes into the PDF, then it's there. Prabhuji, today the whole world is seeing Facebook pictures. so, but still, we'll ask them, if that's okay to share.
We have to take this basic etiquette. We have to, because normally, due to this technology, everybody is, without any permission, they are just sharing the pictures, family pictures and all.
Yeah. Okay, so that's Lakshmikant Prabhu. So Prabhuji, are you excited?
Yes, Prabhuji, super.
Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. So Mahesh Prabhu, ఏమైనా చెప్తారా? మీరేం కామ్గా ఉన్నారు?
ప్రభు దిగ్గజాలు అన్ని చెప్పిన ఇన్పుట్స్ అన్ని చెప్పేశారు ప్రభు. ఏం లేదు ప్రభు చెప్పడానికి.
మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ప్లానింగ్ ఫినిష్ చేసేసారు ప్రభుజీ.
ఏం ప్లానింగ్ మాతాజీ?
మీరు ఎలా చేసేద్దామని ఆల్రెడీ అంతా మొత్తం పిక్చర్ అంతా చేసేసారు.
అంత లేదు మాతాజీ. కాల్ జాయిన్ అయ్యేంత వరకు కూడా ఆఫీస్ కాల్లో ఉన్నాను. ఈ 1 hour ఎలా అయినా సరే డెడికేట్ చేద్దామని పక్కన పెట్టి ఉంచున్నాను ఇక్కడ. సో సుబ్బారావు ప్రభు అండ్ సత్య ప్రభు ఏం చెప్తారో అదే చేస్తాం మాతాజీ.
చంద్రమౌళి ప్రభు, హరే కృష్ణ. చంద్రమౌళి ప్రభు,
హరే కృష్ణ ప్రభుజీ.
Yes. Dandavad Pranam Prabhu, are you excited to do something for us, for Krishna?
Yeah, Prabhuji, you're saying we are collecting the pictures annar kada, family pictures annar kada.
While they're offering in the Zoom call only.
వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు ఫ్యాన్సీ డ్రెస్ అన్నా లేకపోతే ఏదైనా బోగా తయారు చేయడం అన్నా లేకపోతే ఆరతి చేయడం అన్నా ఆ పిక్చర్స్ తీసి PDF చేస్తారు ప్రభుజీ.
Okay. Whatever we are collecting the pictures, if it is in Vaishnava dress, then it will be good.
Absolutely traditional dress, Prabhuji, compulsory. Andaru traditional dress.
We can request
traditional dress.
Yeah, we can request people to come in traditional dress. Dhoti kurta and khandwa is the best.
No, but
let us see what people come in.
They all come from different backgrounds, different demography, so they can have their own traditional dress also. That's fine.
Yeah. That is better.
Yeah. So write it down. Traditional dress. Okay. Traditional dress. Okay. What else?
Prabhuji,
what else? Haribol.
This event in VSK, right? VSK farm, right?
Prabhuji?
We are conducting this event in VSK farm, right?
No. This is in everybody's community, respective community, Prabhuji. We'll all be at home.
Okay.
Prabhuji, who will be doing it VSK then? Our cows would be missing the event.
Yeah. No, I mean, I'll be taking some nice jaggery, and I will feed all the cows, taking the name of each family. That I'll do.
Discuss offline.
So cow will do Amba. Top, I'll keep in the mouth. Yes. Any other ideas, Haribol? Sucharita Mataji, any idea? Any more ideas? Thoughts? Mataji is what is it? Entrepreneur coming into existence.
Prabhuji, one thought, Prabhuji.
Mataji can remotely chat with everybody. Mataji can remotely charge everybody and inspire all of us.
One thought, Prabhuji.
Yes, Sucharita Mataji, you want to say anything?
Prabhuji, I am little confused. Prabhuji, I am little confused as to on the numbers, Prabhuji, like how from each community we have 100 people, or together there are 100 people?
Together 100 families.
Together 100 families, Prabhuji. Okay. Okay, Prabhuji. Now it is.
If it goes beyond, Prabhuji was, Sucharita Mataji, if it goes beyond, Prabhuji was suggesting to break it into 2 parts.
Yes. Prabhuji, and Sucharita Mataji has a track record of handling 130 Bhagavatam sets in different languages, collection, delivery, and tracking. So this is a very little task for her. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, one more idea, Prabhuji. One more idea what I wanted to share was like from each and every family, whatever the bit or 1 minute thing what they are going to do for each and every family, it would be better if kids are there, one should dress up in Krishna costume.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I was just thinking.
Yeah, with little children, most of the time that's the favorite thing that everybody does in India. So I'm sure we'll see a lot of little Krishnas that day.
I was just kind of making it compulsion, like at least in each house one Krishna should be decorated.
Yes. No, not compulsion. Prabhuji, there is free will. We can't tell like that, But I'm sure everybody has something to offer to Krishna.
Not at least our satsang group families.
Yes. Prabhuji, in your house, I'm sure there is no little child, so you will dress like Krishna, right?
No problem. Dhruv is there, probably will dress him. In Satya Prabhu's house, that is applicable. I think Satya Prabhu should dress as Krishna.
Yes. So, Balaji Prabhu, you have any ideas, Prabhuji? Anything, any additions, changes? Hare Krishna, Balaji Prabhu. Okay, maybe Balaji will probably come back. So, Meenu Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Mataji, yes.
I was thinking that the time stipulation that you have kept of 1 minute, maybe there should be some tips we can give them before, in terms of that they should be doing rehearsal so that it comes to 1 minute only. So some tips should go regularly.
Yes. Yes, that is something like one of the services that one devotee will have is to call each one of these families and take the service, take an understanding of what they're planning to do. So that devotee also has to tell that please rehearse few times. So in that 1 minute, you maximum use everything that you want to in that 1 minute. Yeah.
If that goes as a reminder,
yeah.
So then people will do it.
But all said and done, Mataji, I'm sure there will be some devotees who will get ecstatic and the 1 minute can become 2 minutes.
That's okay. That's okay. Still, there should be some.
Yeah, I think 1 minute is too less because there might be some kids who might want to dance.
No, 1 minute is too less, and even 10 minutes is too less. So don't get into that. Let it be 1 minute, and we'll see where to go with it. Malingamayar Prabhu, Haribol.
Hare Krishna, Dandat Pranam Prabhuji.
Prabhuji's daughter has appeared back in Hyderabad. She was in Kumbakonam. Prabhuji brought her to Hyderabad now.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Jai.
I have a few suggestions, maybe ideas.
Yes, Prabhuji, please.
We flood social media with the Krishna story. Of the registering should post a short story about something that they like to any social media group, and they should use a specific hashtag or @, we can create for them, and they can.
Prabhuji, can you come a little closer to the device because your voice is breaking?
Okay, Prabhuji, I was trying to tell that we can flood social media Krishna's story, part of this program.
Storytelling.
Okay.
So we can create a page for this contest specifically, and we will ask each of the families and open to all, post a story that we, and we will select a best story, maybe the best top stories, and award them something. But in short, we have to share a story on social media and propagate more and more so that people may read it and rejoice it.
Yeah, Prabhuji, the awarding aspect, I was thinking, we want to avoid this time because, I don't want a competition or the feeling that, somebody is getting what they did. I think it being Janmashtami, unlike other competitions where there is a panel to judge who is the best dressed, but here is Krishna. So Krishna is going to be judging, who is the most lovable devotee. So we don't know what Krishna feels.
So we can keep it as an activity, Prabhuji.
As an activity, yes, we can. So how do you propose that activity to happen? I didn't understand. So you're saying everybody have to tell a story or post a story, and where do they post?
So we will create a Facebook page, Prabhuji.
Okay,
and
you will create a page.
On that page, everyone will post their story.
Wonderful, we can do that.
Even small kids can write their stories and post it.
Yeah, Prabhuji, why don't we do it on the temple website? We can also do it on the temple website, right?
Yes, of course. Today we had called Krishna Prabhuji, Suma Mataji, we all.
Yes,
and
yes.
Prabhuji was telling we need to do something for Janmashtami, and Suma Mataji is already planning for, like last year we did for Jagannath Rath Yatra. The similar lines
Yes.
Mataji is planning, so maybe she will talk to you and formalize it.
Yeah. Can somebody call Suma Mataji and
Actually, she called your phone.
yeah? Can somebody call Suma Mataji or Praveen Prabhu? They are not on the call. So Trendset
I'm
family.
doing that, Prabhu. I'm doing that, Prabhu.
Yeah. So Trendset family is missing. One other main community where we normally do satsangs.
One more idea was.
Yeah, Praveen Prabhu is on call. He said he'll join in few minutes.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, tomorrow we have another call, as I said. So anybody else from My Home Avatar who is on the call? I just want to take inputs again.
Ramesh Prabhu.
Ramesh Prabhu, are you there? I don't see Ramesh Prabhu.
Prabhuji, he's on call, Prabhu. Tulsi.
Oh,
Hare Prabhuji, मेरे call में join है तुम्हारा.
Hare Krishna. Who spoke, Mataji?
Prabhuji, this is Tulsi. Ramesh is on call.
Ah, yes. Okay. Prabhu is on call. Maybe tomorrow, please ask them to join. And Balaji Prabhu, you have any suggestions? Are you there?
Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. Maybe once we take the counts, I think again we have to look at the plan, Prabhuji. Because if it goes 300 or something like that, right?
Yeah. It's going to be a phase thing, Prabhuji. Like we will have to come up with a plan. First of all, we have to determine the communities, and we have to make sure that the community is duly supported by a team. Because in some community, only one person might be there. One family might be there. So we have to support them with a team. Because it's all virtual, the team can work from anywhere.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, I'll create some invite templates and some kind of a banner, community-specific banner, and that can be floated by the respective community person itself, and then from there we'll coordinate, the services.
Sure.
So I think we will not have this planning meeting, for too long. Until we form a community and a support team only, we'll have this call. After that, the respective community team will have their own calls.
Okay.
Take it forward.
Yeah, because as Anumat was also saying, right, 1 minute might become 10 minutes, Prabhuji. So.
Yeah, we have to keep a minute there, not more than that. I think 60 seconds is a good time to show something or say something. I know sometimes it might go 1.5 minutes, but that's okay. Yeah. I feel that in 3 hours time, there are 180 minutes. So even if we say 100 minutes are going to be actually utilized, remaining 80 minutes will be switch on, switch off from family to family.
Yeah.
So 100 minutes. So 100 minutes, at least 80 families should be able to present. That's what I'm thinking.
Prabhuji, I was thinking it will be more than that. I mean, I was thinking that it will be more than 200. So
let us see. It's a good problem to handle. So So we will see as a registry. I think at a community level, you have to take that call. Maybe split into 3 groups also. That's okay. A whole day of service. We are doing fasting that day, whole day. So
Fasting till 12 o'clock, Prabhuji.
so fasting till 12 o'clock in the night. So we can have 3 such groups where we are continuously involved in.
Prabhuji, 12 noon or 12 midnight fasting?
12 midnight.
12 midnight. 12 midnight.
Satya Prabhuji, you should not serve prasadam to anyone in the Zoom call that day.
I'm more concerned about myself, Prabhuji. That day, 12 midnight is very difficult.
Come on. Satya
So,
Prabhu.
Satya Prabhuji, after this, we are going to have Kirtan.
Okay, Mataji, then that is okay.
So that we all, by then, Gopi Vallabha is also here.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah, Radha Gopi Vallabha.
So for his pleasure, maybe you can sing.
Yes. Hari bol. I am waiting for the day vaccine is released. I'll be the first person to jump into all your houses.
Prabhuji will be the first person to go and hug everyone.
Yes, it's been such a long time. Shamelessly, I'll go pull everybody and hug. Hare Krishna, we have.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Sorry, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. I was in a meeting, I couldn't join. Subbarao Prabhuji called me, but I said I'll talk to you later. I just came out of the meeting. Sorry.
Prabhuji, thank you for resigning and joining the meeting. I really appreciate your presence.
Sorry.
Did you resign or no?
I wish.
So please give your appearance, Prabhuji. We can't see you.
Dandavat Pranam, Prabhuji. Dandavat Pranam.
Where is Prabhuji? Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. Praveen Prabhu ki jai, Hari bol.
Prabhuji ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Prabhuji, no, don't say.
Jai, Hari bol. So Prabhuji, we have a plan. So I'll not repeat the whole plan. I think it's getting recorded so you can see it. We are all excited that we wanted to do Janmashtami in a standard way in all communities. So you're going to be leading in your community and you'll be supported by some devotees from our group or different groups.
Okay.
Right? So 1 minute. One minute.
Virtual,
huh?
All virtual, right?
No, everything in your community hall.
Hare Krishna.
Come on, no. All virtual, Prabhuji, all virtual. All virtual. Don't worry about that. We want everybody's safety and happiness. So goal is to connect the whole community. So everybody, see, the idea is every minute, each family will be given a minute. And in that 1 minute, they can do whatever they want to do for Krishna. Sing, eat, dance, anything, dress. And it will be going from family to family. And one person will be comparing this in Zoom. And at the end of the day, Lakshmikant Prabhu will make Rajnikant look white. And he'll make a nice PDF and he'll send it to everybody with family pictures.
Yes. Hari bol. Very nice.
Right? So you'll be supported by a few families. I think Green Grace has too many families. I think we have to take the resources outside.
Yes.
Too
many resources accumulated in one place. We have to
one place. Yes. We have to do some resource allocation.
Prabhuji, don't take our leader Subbarao Prabhu out.
Yo, Rama, I'm already half asleep. I don't know what to know.
Prabhuji, Subbarao Prabhuji and Praveen Prabhuji are inseparable. Like Jarasandha, they're in different directions.
Mataji, what a comparison, Mataji. What a comparison.
They are not Jarasandha like, but.
మేము ఒప్పుకోమంతే.
Swamataji, Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Sorry, I missed your call 2 times, I think.
Mahesh Prabhuji, Satya Prabhuji, please show your darshan. We are longing here. We have not seen you for such a long time. Subbarao Prabhuji, everybody.
Hare Krishna. I'm seeing few others. Akila, Shrikant Prabhu. Can you please talk, Prabhuji? I'm not able to recognize you. Hare Krishna.
Praveen Prabhu.
Okay, and yes, I think Neelam Mati we spoke. Surendra Prabhu. Hari bol, Surendra Prabhuji. And there is Rishi Vardhan Prabhu. Can you please speak up, Prabhuji? You are in the group.
Hare Krishna, I can say Subbarao Prabhuji now. Satya Prabhuji ki jai. Mahesh Prabhuji ki jai.
Okay, anybody else? I think tomorrow we'll have more participation. So to everybody, this is a sheet that I had prepared as a template. I'm going to show it once again for some of you who joined late, where we want each community name and a primary family driving it, and family supporting it. Now, this family supporting can be from the same community or from different community, but we'll make sure that there is a family supporting it. And then we have some activities, which includes a WhatsApp group creation and registering different families who want to participate. Basically, they have to talk to them and ask what they want to do in that 1 minute, and then ordering them in an order so that we know which flat is going to present first and the next flat and the next. And then comparing on the Zoom for the 3 hours time when we will allow each family to present what they have to, making everybody chant Hare Krishna mantra, and making a lively activity is the role of the comparing person. And then capturing pictures while they do the activities. That is a specific activity being assigned to one person, like supporting family 1, 2, 3. I just kept something here. You can even change it and put a name. And coordination with Lakshmikant Prabhu for the PDF, for including everything, and then finally handing over to all the families. So this is the main activity, but you can add more columns and include more activities there, right? So this is like a standard template. We are giving a framework, so to say, software language, in which everybody can do Janmashtami in the respective communities and remember Krishna. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna, Ramesh Prabhu. You can unmute yourself. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
So we are excited to celebrate Janmashtami together, Prabhu.
Sure, definitely.
On the Zoom. Yeah, I think Mataji would have heard what we discussed so far, right? Right, Tulsi Mataji?
Yeah, Prabhuji.
Okay. So what is the time now? What is the time? Oh, it's already 10 o'clock. So I think we'll log off now. And the same invite tomorrow, we will get into more details. Once again, please join. And then we will fill up that Excel sheet with actually the family names and how we want to take this forward. Yeah, Hare Krishna. There is Akila, Srikant Prabhu and Santosh Nagar. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So we'll all log in again tomorrow. So Ramesh Chapala Prabhu, thank you for joining. You are from which community, Prabhuji?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. You forgot me.
Hare Krishna. I am so sorry, Prabhuji. Please forgive me.
No problem. I come from Khairtabad.
Oh,
Santosh. Infosys Santosh.
Oh, yes. Hare Krishna. Thank you for joining, Prabhuji. So we will, with your permission, if you are willing, you can become one of the participants, or you can even bring a community, and we can do it there as well.
Sure, Prabhuji.
Okay.
I will let you know my plans.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody. Yeah, Hari Bol. So can we ask? Yeah, can we ask Prashasta Mataji to sing Narsimha Arti?
Prashasta sing Narsimha Arti. You want to sing Narsimha Arti?
Yes, chalo Prashasta.
Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Dadaine Hiranyakashi Purvakshaha Shilatanka Nakalaye To Narsimha Parato Narsimha Yato Yamitato Narsimha Vahe Narsimha Rudaye Narsimha Narasingha Madin Charanam Prapadye Tava Kala Kamala Vare Naka Madhuta Shringa Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tarubringam Keshavadrita Narahari Rupa जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय नरसिंहदेव 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 जय नरसिंहदेव जय जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
हरि बोल। भक्त विघ्ननाशक नरसिंह देव भगवान की जय। भक्त शिरोमणि प्रहलाद महाराज की जय।
जय।
शिल प्रभुपाद की जय।
जय।
जन्माष्टमी सेलिब्रेशन प्लानिंग कमिटी की जय।
जय।
डिवोटीज की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे।
हरि हरि बोल।
हरि हरि बोल।
हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा। Everybody have a nice Krishna conscious night. Hari bol.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you. Hari bol.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good night. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Thank you for joining.
Prabhuji.
Good night, Prabhuji.
Good night. Hari bol.
Hare Krishna.
Hari bol.
Hare Krishna.
కాంత ప్రభు మాట్లాడండి.
Hari bol.